Hi there. In this video we'll be taking a look at another Flipenjoy soldering iron. In calibration, honestly, there's no need. I'm going to let it come out of it and then we will go into about to see the firmware version. Or doesn't it get out of this particular one? Okay, from this one it doesn't get out by itself. I don't know how to. It's over what you should be doing, but you can see this. I went to 500 degrees. Let's try another one. Instantly melted. With my normal soldering irons, I would have problems with big stuff like this. This thingy, if it's set to 500, can do it in an instant. Or maybe maybe it does need to allow the heat to drain into the ground pad, but I didn't put solder. That's my bad, actually. You need to give it the best chance to transmit. Yeah, did you see that? You need to allow it to heat up, obviously, to transfer